part of our world into your kitchen. And now I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. Do a drum roll. We're making French toast! And it's delicious, like amazing. But I don't know if it's better than waffles. That's going to be difficult.
Is it better than waffles, Ian?
Well, now the kitchen rules. The kitchen rules are: make sure you wash your hands, your working areas clean, you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself, and that's bad. But the most important rule in the kitchen is set the bus bam. So now let's get cooking! Yay! Roses, roses.
So here are the ingredients. We're gonna need our sour bread. You can use whatever bread, whichever one you want.
You can use Hawaiian bread, the one that has like the
Wheat. We
Yeah, wheat
use
bread.
whatever, yeah.
but we like sourdough. It gives it a
We
good
have
taste.
Even
heavy
gluten-free bread.
heavy whipped cream, brown sugar, eggs, cinnamon,
Vanilla
and regular milk.
and a bowl and a whisk and people. So now let's get cooking. So now we're gonna mix everything together.
Eggs. And we want to poke them so all of the inside can come out.
The yolk.
Yeah, the yolk. The yolky yolk.
And another milk.
Milk. Our heavy whipped cream. Very heavy. Brown sugar. Cinnamon. And last but not least, vanilla.
So this is ready. Everything is combined. So now we're gonna put our butter. And we have our bread over here. So when you put it in, you need to make sure that you don't put it for like a long time because it's gonna get soggy. So I'm gonna put it. So make sure that you don't leave your bread inside of your milk because it's gonna end up dripping in the milk, and just wait until those are ready because then it just doesn't work. So now we're gonna flip it, and you know that they're ready if you're able to slide your spatula underneath, and you can lift it a little before you flip it, and like that. Our French toast is ready, and now we're gonna get it up. Boom. And now I'm gonna repeat the process. So now we're gonna make a strawberry, kind of like a jam. We always make this, strawberry jam basically, and we always put it on top of our French toast, and it tastes amazing. So here are the ingredients for it. We're gonna need strawberries, of course, lime juice, and Erythrol. And if you're using Erythrol at home, it's kind of not really that sweet, but if you add regular sugar, it's gonna make your jam sweeter, which is good juice. So let me add my strawberries. So our strawberries are getting a little cooked, so we're gonna add in our sugar.
And your lime.
Oh, my lime. Smells delicious. So now we need to let it simmer, and it will take at least 5 minutes for it to be done. And make sure that none of them get burned. So you see those little bubbles here in the sides? That means it's simmering. So we're gonna let it simmer for a minute, and then we're gonna turn it off. So if you want your jam to be a little more like thicker, you can add cornstarch or chia seed. It'll make it thicker than how we have it. We like it runny because it's gonna be for our French toast. So yeah, and I'm gonna turn it off.
And it's ready.
So we're back, and Ian's putting the finishing touches on his plate, and this is how they look. The jam is like, I already tasted it.
Yet, I still have some designs.
So, yeah, we're gonna taste it. I'm just gonna wait for Ian. He never waits for me, so. So good. The jam, the liquid, it just like gets into the bread, and it makes it so like, you really taste the strawberry. It's savory. Wait, what? You mean it's sweet?
Sourdough.
It's sourdough. The sourdough gives it an amazing taste. Same with the jam. Like, so now, enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing French toast recipe. And if you guys want any like breakfast, like certain foods that you want us to make, we can do that. Just put it in the comments.
And if you have any food from different cultures in your country, we would love to
try them.
Yes. And if you have anyone that
could benefit from our video,
yes, make sure to sell it. And
wait, where is the share button on that thing? It's on like this side? Yeah, I think it's on this side. Right?
Yeah. And make sure to hit the bell so you can be notified whenever we post a new video.
Which will be
Soon.
Yeah. So. Bye. Make sure to subscribe.